Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm truly grateful that you've chosen to spend a few minutes with me today. I hope this message encourages you to reflect on what really matters in life. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, someone always ends up waiting for you? When you're at work, your family misses you. When you're with your family, your unfinished work is still on your mind. Many of us live in this constant struggle, trying to be successful at work while also being present for the people we love. The truth is, finding balance isn't about giving equal time to everything. It's about giving your full attention to what matters most in each moment. Here are a few simple reminders that can help. First, set clear boundaries. When you're working, focus on your work. When you're with your family, be fully present. Put your phone away during dinner. Turn off work notifications for a little while. A few uninterrupted moments with the people you love are often worth far more than hours spent together while distracted. Second, remember that quality matters more than quantity. You may not be able to spend every hour with your family, but you can make the hours you do have meaningful. Listen to their stories. Laugh together. Ask about their day. Sometimes 15 minutes of genuine attention means more than an entire evening spent looking at a screen. Third, learn to say no. Not every meeting is essential. Not every extra task has to be accepted. Protecting your personal time doesn't make you less committed to your career. It means you understand that your well-being and your relationships are also important. Success should never come at the cost of losing the people who supported you along the way. Fourth, take care of yourself. You cannot give your best at work if you're exhausted. You cannot give your best to your family if you're emotionally drained. Make time for rest. Exercise regularly. Sleep well. Even a short walk or a quiet moment each day can help you recharge. When you take care of yourself, you have more energy to care for others. Finally, remember why you work so hard. Most people don't work simply to earn money. They work to build a better life, to support their loved ones, to create opportunities. Never become so busy making a living that you forget to enjoy the life you're working so hard to build. At the end of the day, your job may remember your performance, but your family will remember your presence. Years from now, your children may not remember every gift you bought them, but they'll remember whether you listened when they wanted to talk. Your parents won't remember every paycheck you earned. They'll remember every visit, every phone call, and every moment you shared. Balance isn't about perfection. Some days, work will need more of your attention. Other days, your family will. The goal isn't to be perfect every day. The goal is to make sure that neither your career nor your relationships are constantly neglected. Life is made up of seasons. What matters most is choosing your priorities with intention and making time for the people who make life meaningful. Because in the end, success is not measured only by promotions, salaries, or achievements. True success is coming home to people who still know you, trust you, and are happy to see you. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this message reminds you that both your career and your family deserve your best, but not all at the same time. Find your balance, cherish the people you love, and never forget why you started working so hard in the first place. Thank you again for being here. Take care of yourself, and I wish you success in your work, joy in your home, and peace in your heart. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.